Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is received pronunciation? RP in English. What is received pronunciation? RP. RP is the short form of received pronunciation. In fact, RP is the single most prestigious accent in Britain. Single most well-respected accent in Britain. The accent which higher class people use and speak. We have some more ideas. Because of its prestige, because of its respect in the society, received pronunciation or RP was adopted as the voice of the BBC in the 1920s, and since long this accent has been widely promoted by the British ruling class. We continue our discussion. What is received pronunciation? RP. However, this prestigious accent is not common to all people in England. You shouldn't think that all people in England use this accent, speak with this accent. It's not like that. It has a negligible presence in Scotland and Northern Ireland. We continue. You should know that no more than 3% of Britons speak with an RP accent. So the percentage of people who use this accent in their day-to-day life is just 3%. Very negligible presence of people using this accent. We continue our discussion. Origin of received pronunciation, RP. How did this term received pronunciation start? Who started? From where did it come? The phrase received pronunciation, RP, was coined in 1869 by the linguist A.J. Ellis. We have some more ideas. However, it became a widely used term. It became very popular to describe the accent of the social elite. Only when the phonetician Daniel Jones adopted it for the second edition of the English Pronouncing Dictionary in 1924. We continue with our ideas. Origin of received pronunciation, RP. The definition of received conveys its original meaning of accepted or approved, as in received wisdom. So the word received is the same as we normally use in the sense of accepted or approved. Normally we say received wisdom. So the term received is the same as we normally use in our day-to-day parlance of language. We can trace the origins of RP back to the public schools and universities of 19th century Britain. We have some more ideas. Origin of received pronunciation, RP. In fact, Daniel Jones initially used the term as public school pronunciation to describe this emerging socially exclusive consent. But over the course of that century, members of the ruling and privileged classes in England soon came to be associated with this prestigious accent. Continue. Why do we follow received pronunciation, RP? The question is, why do we learn received pronunciation? Why is it so important to us? Because unarguably, received pronunciation, RP, is probably the single most widely studied variety of spoken English in the world. It is the accent on which phonemic transcriptions in dictionaries are based. In fact, RP is the accent widely used for teaching English as a foreign language all over the world. It has become the standard, it has been formalized, it has become so formal, and that is why we need to know about what is received pronunciation in English. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.